Hello friends. Is your car suddenly stalling or struggling to start? If your OBD-II scanner is showing P0386, this means there's a problem with your Crankshaft Position Sensor B circuit range performance. A faulty crankshaft sensor can cause misfires, loss of power, or even a complete breakdown. But don't worry. In this video we'll explain what P0386 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0386 stands for Crankshaft Position Sensor B circuit range performance. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, is responsible for detecting the position and speed of the crankshaft. This data is sent to the ECU, or engine control unit, which adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing. If the sensor fails or its signal becomes inconsistent, the ECU can't determine the correct timing, leading to engine performance issues. Common symptoms of P0386 include engine cranks but doesn't start, check engine light is on, engine misfires or runs rough, sudden stalling while driving, poor acceleration and hesitation, and loss of power and reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's find out where the crankshaft sensor is located. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, is usually found near the crankshaft pulley, flywheel, or inside the timing cover. Possible locations include front of the engine, near the harmonic balancer, crankshaft pulley, in most vehicles. Transmission bell housing, close to the flywheel or flex plate, especially in some automatic cars. Side of the engine block, with some models having it bolted near the oil pan. And behind the timing cover, hidden inside the timing belt or chain area for protection. The exact location varies by make and model, so always refer to your vehicle's service manual. The common causes of the P0386 code. Let's dive right in. First, we have a faulty crankshaft position sensor. This little guy might be worn out or damaged, causing all sorts of trouble. Next up, damaged wiring or loose connections. Broken wires or corroded connectors can really disrupt the signal. Then there's the dirty or faulty reluctor ring, also known as the tone wheel. If it has cracks, dirt, or is misaligned, the sensor just won't work properly. Though rare, a failed ECU or engine control unit can also be the culprit. Lastly, excessive engine heat or oil contamination can wreak havoc, leading to sensor damage. Alright, let's talk about how to fix that pesky P0386 code. First, scan for additional OBD-II codes to check for any related issues. Next, locate the crankshaft position sensor and give it a good inspection for any damage. Then, examine the wiring and connectors. Repair any corrosion or broken pins you find. After that, test the sensor's resistance using a multimeter. If it's out of range, you'll need to replace it. Don't forget to check the reluctor ring inside the timing cover or near the flywheel. If everything else seems fine, inspect the ECU for any programming or hardware faults. Finally, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. Now, some final words. The P0386 code should not be ignored. A failing crankshaft sensor can cause your car to stall at any moment. If you're experiencing rough idling, power loss, or a no-start condition, check the crankshaft sensor circuit immediately. And for those eager to learn more about related issues, we've got some great videos lined up for you. Check out P0069, Manifold Absolute Pressure Barometric Pressure Correlation, and P0070, Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.